Viewers, welcome back to Smriti channel. In this video we are going to see two different ways of Rakhi making at home. For first Rakhis, these are the materials required. We need a woolen thread, some kundans, and one glitter foam sheet, and one other chart sheet which is cut in a small circle. We can see over here we have used 1 rupee coin, and based upon that we have cut these shapes, this circle shape. Then we have to take this woolen thread, and at the center of it we need to paste it to the chart sheet which we have cut in round shape. We need to apply glue before that. Then we are applying glue to the glitter foam sheet which we cut that also in circle shape, so that this forms the center of the Rakhi. This is the very easy method. So and middle of it, on top of this foam sheet, right, we are decorating this with kundans. So in the middle we have taken round shaped white color kundan, and we are taking some colored kundans to decorate this. This is like a cream color kundans. We are taking 4 cream color kundans which we are pasting it. We can see here how we are pasting. First we applied glue on this, and then we are pasting these kundans on top of this glue, so that it will be easy for us to place. Otherwise what will happen, if we apply glue to the kundan, then it will be difficult for us to place it further. So in mid of this we are applying glue again, and we are pasting another color kundan. Here we are using pink color kundans. So suppose if these kundans are misplaced, we need to correct it using some other here I am using scissors which is handy for me, and so I am using it. Then beside to this, right, again we are applying glue, and we are pasting some other green color kundans over here, so that this will look good, because we are using this orange color the thread, right? So on top of it the green color looks good. So that's the reason. Wherever it gets misplaced, I feel like I'm just adjusting it. So this is the Rakhi. See, we can tie this. This is a very simple, very easy method of making a Rakhi at home. Hope you liked it, and this looks very grand also. We can make it within just a fraction of minutes. So this is the first method of making. Now let's see the second method of making this Rakhi. So here again we are taking this woolen thread and some beads we are taking. So here what I'm the 3 layers of this woolen thread we are taking, and we tied at one end of it, and to that end we are pasting it using this plaster, so that we can make the design out of it. Previously we have pasted in another one. Here what we are trying to do, we are going to make a different kind of Rakhi. In the middle thread what we applied at the end, no, this is a glue, because when we are inserting the beads inside, it will be easy for us. Then see how we are doing this one, how we are not making knots using these threads. So alternatively the side 2 threads are there, right? With that we need to make a knots like this. Okay, it is very easy, and it will we can complete this within 10 minutes of time. So on both of these sides, alternatively with these threads we need to make a knots, and at last we need to make sure it gets tightened, so that this will not loosen after while using it. So this length of it, it is up to us. It is based upon the wrist size. We need to prepare it. Here we are preparing this for a small kid, so that's the reason we are making it into a small one, and depends upon the length of this Rakhi we can prepare it. So now we are inserting the bead. See, we are inserting the bead to the middle of it. Again we are making the same knots. Okay, and while after inserting the beads, what we had to do, make sure the woolen thread is placing around this bead. Okay, we are first of all we used a small sized black color 2 beads. Then we use gold color small round shaped bead, and again in the middle of it we used a big color black crystal bead. Okay, so the same pattern we are repeating on the other end also. Again the knots, everything is going to be the same. See now it's almost completed, and again at the start we have given the knots, right? The same knots we need to repeat on this side also, so that the pattern will look similar on both sides of it. Once we finish this, what we had to do, we need to tie at the another end also, the how we have tied at the initial stage, the same way we had to tie it on the other end. So let's see how to do that. Now this Rakhi is almost ready, and just we are trying to match both the sides the knots, and we are tying it on the other end also. Once we tie it, see this length of its the threads are different, because we have tied it, right? So then we have to arrange it, and we need to cut the extra parts, and at last that Rakhi looks like this looks amazing. Hope you liked both the ways of making the Rakhi. Thank